your new Toyota Starlet Cross. Own it.
It is good to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is goodtimes.co.za. It's Kaiser Chiefs 2, Orlando Pirates 1. Kaiser Chiefs are the champions of the FA Cup in South Africa. It's sponsored by Nedbank, so it's called the Nedbank Cup. Congratulations and well done to Kaiser Chiefs. Their first trophy in 10 years. It was Stuart Baxter who coached the team in 2015, and they won the Telkom Knockout and the ABSA Premiership. Little did we know that it would take 10 more years for Kaiser Chiefs to then win their next trophy. They had opportunities in between, or the presiding period, in the 10 years. They could have beat Ajax Cape Town in the final of the MTN 8, if I'm not mistaken. They lost to ETS Galaxy. And I think that's all she wrote, basically, in terms of finals. It wasn't too many finals that Chiefs was appearing in. There were others as well, but the last time they were in the final, I think, was in 2019, which is now 6 years ago when we started even this channel, basically. It's been a 10-year period. Well done to Kaiser Chiefs. It's going to be a massive night tonight. However, it will need strong people to reflect about whether or not this is the way to go with that coach or with the squad of players, and of course even with the management. Unfortunately, the management doesn't fire itself, so even if they're not the right people to help carry the team going forward with a vision of winning much better things. But tonight, take nothing away from Kaiser Chiefs. I would say that they even deserve it because Orlando Pirates players, big, best, better on paper, but they never showed up really tonight. They lost to a side that was maybe slightly better than them. Junior Kanye, what did you make of the game, sir?
Yeah, ngulema brother kunjani?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ngibulise Justice.
Just.
Ngibulise Benedict Sovila
Mr. So-and-so.
ngathi amakhosi for life.
Kosipolai.
Ngizwile ngapasho kanjalo.
Kosipolai.
Ngibulise lengwenye yethu Lindo Pepe bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting it, is KTV fighting one try to fix South African football. Well done to Kaizer Chiefs. Congratulations for being champions of 2025 Nedbank Cup. I think they deserve it.
Absolutely.
Well deserved, but doesn't mean Nabi is a good coach. For me, I'll stood up and say that. There's a lot of things, a lot of dynamics. I'm saying with the mouth full, I'm not going to be scared to say that. There's a lot of things based on the paper, starting a game, based on paper, Orlando Pirates, they look better in terms of players. Based on team sheet between Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates. But on the field, different story. The same thing that happened last week, that's the same thing that happened today. Pirates started in a back foot. I think Orlando Pirates always second best. Considering the critical phase of the game, Orlando Pirates, I'm not too sure why, lapse of concentration. Well done to Kaizer Chiefs. I think the good move on the left-hand side, Pule Modi, wadlala ibhola first time, Tuba could run. Though ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi Tuba why running sideways. I know some people can justify it. As a striker, your job, I think, is to stay more central. I don't mind doing these runs like 6 area kule box elincane. But most kuza stretch sort of corner flex. But isebenzile, ngoba into mayisebenzile, you can't tell people. He went there. I think Van Rooyen coming from behind, I think was wrong side. They were defending a corner. I think it was a foul. It was a penalty, definitely. Good technique from Serino. He didn't want to take chances, didn't want to be clever. Good technique. We wanted to China, but late. I think we bigger case because he put a pants or pace with Gala and then he want to go down. And other than that, whatever happened last week happened today. They failed to manage the game. So just to protect that goal. Because it didn't take City too much. I think about 10 minutes, 8 minutes. Orlando Pirates, why waiting for Kaizer Chiefs? Because first half, for me, both teams, midfielders, Maketleni Makaula, Talent Mbata, Yusuf Marcele. I'm critical on 2 midfielders. And you can't have best teams in the country. I'm talking about big teams in the country that they don't have midfielders. Yes, credit to this boy, Yusuf Martes, changed his life. I'm sure Lentole he's changed his life by scoring.
You will remember
winning.
It forever.
Yes, it's a history.
Forever.
And he once won the game for Kaizer Chiefs. But if we big game overall, I mean, first half, how I look, you can't have defenders that they have a ball, so many. They are so technically good, more than midfielders. When I check at Kaizer Chiefs, Micho or Kwinika, they are the one need to find this boy Tuba. Miguel, the center back at Kaizer Chiefs. He is the one that need to find this guy Tuba and also Justin Serino and Lily Yep as well. So how are you gonna create chances? Ngikhuluma ngapha teams. At Orlando Pirates, we've got Makehleni Makaula is mina ngihlale critical ngaye. He's playing as an extra a center back for me. It doesn't move much. It doesn't link. But defensive midfield is to link between defense and attack. You are the one that need to phuma kuma tight space. Mele siphume ngawe. Angithi Pirates a ball playing team. Angeke idlale ngama second ball abafana bomfukeng. In today's game first half bebadlala ngama second ball. Mfukeng you can say was off, but beketholi supply na. Even him Tito Maswanga. Yes, stream Mfukeng off. Nkotha off for me. Maswangai off for me. Also, this guy evidently scored, but when you check how he plays,
What else did he do?
I want to find out. As always, I'm saying, I think this is 4. If Pirates is 4, because they are the best attacking team for me in terms of attack. But today, this 4, I think they were off. But also the supply in Kulmang midfield. If you don't have proper midfielders, however, we've been saying this, I'm going to say it even today. You can't win ugly. About 3 finals, you win and say the game plan works. It didn't work.
Yeah, it's always the
because
problem.
Chiefs they were better than them.
It's always a problem even with the fans because they won.
Because Chiefs didn't play well, but the energetic compared to Orlando Pirates, they show a character. Compared to Orlando Pirates, show a character. I think they can be mean a lot to players at Kaizer Chiefs. And well done to them, Jobangisho, for the past 10 years. They didn't play pretty, but character. I think in the winning the game over. First half, they considered 1-1. It was a game of 2 halves for me, first half. Initially, first 25 minutes, I can say 25 minutes, another 25 minutes for Pirates. But Pirates were waiting for Kaizer Chiefs. Number 2 as well. But also second half, I think the sub of Orlando Pirates, Kabelo Dlamini, and also Kim Video, killed the momentum of the game in Kulmang side, the Orlando Pirates.
Which was at the same time, it was 2 subs. The Chiefs.
Yes.
Ashley Dupree, Nomtu Shabalala.
I think I need to give credit Unabi this time by I think the game reading by bringing Shabalala, but also players. Now sometimes they show surprises. Well done to the boy. This is what we want from him. I give credit to his shoe. The boy came and changed the complexion of the game. They were speeded Kaizer Chiefs running behind the defense, all the Pirates. Also Tipris running off the ball. I mean, I always say a player that plays without the ball is very dangerous. Then a player on the ball, very dangerous. These two, very dynamic. By the element, they run behind the defense, all the Pirates. They stress that defense. Because now the ball among up too. He went straight to Sbisi. He delayed. He turned. Wangena Pagati. I think Ukachi in Waldala the breeze. The breeze, the ball, it was like, it looked like the ball was pelly.
Yeah.
And then he brought the ball back. But Yusuf Marfo, I check him in. You need to join in the box. Well done. I think the energy for Yusuf Mart, he coached him Tandela Lente Tandilumbat. But I lost so many balls at Orlando Pirates. Mshambe Nabanta Bangzonga last week, Mshambe. Someday will be in a drive now, I mean. He plays as like a centre back. He's got so many energy, but he lost his win. He lost so many ball position for Orlando Pirates and in dangerous areas. And when you have a midfield that is careless with the ball, you will get hurt. Because he's running all over. Tactical as well, you need to fix that as well. You need to be central. And maybe, no matter about Lali Square and him and Maketlin will protect the back for. He can't play for you. He's an extra centre back. So this boy needs to be up in front. But he can't go side to side. Very central, Maketlin will be exposed. Just that the Kaizer Chiefs in the middle, they never played as well. Now, second half, Chiefs, they show character. That's the reason they won the game. Duba didn't have a good game. But he keep running the boy. I think it depends all on the party because Stresha with these runs, he never had a good game. I need to be honest. I can't say I'm a support because the Chiefs came and changed the game. Only two sub that Kaizer Chiefs changed the game is this boy Tipris and also too. Matlo never he did nothing. Also the Liepo off. I think was playing as a striker. Good corner. That's why they won this game, but now they didn't have a good game. But well done to Kaizer Chiefs because it means a lot for
both teams. You can say that.
Yeah. Pirates
it
didn't play
a good game for both teams.
Pirates, I think, shows. I'm surprised by Pirates players. They show nervousness. You understand? Because Tito dropped too much second half. even I think first half yes bekahlele eFinmer bekengafiki ube frustrated, he had to drop now. It's very difficult for Orlando Pirates. It was going to be difficult for Orlando Pirates for them to score. Always playing away from Ipale Kaizer Chiefs. You're playing almost like center. Ndlale center most of the time. How you going to get to Orlando Pirates? Umtu Intayenzile, well done for him reading the game. Being a player and being a coach. You come from the bench, you're reading with these people. I need to run behind them. I need to stretch them. And then the priest, when him to stretch, mina ngizohlala boxing. Or the priest makamdu ngizohlala la. Well done for them. Ukuthi bafike bayenze lento le. I think these players started the game didn't do. And I think that was the change of the game. Well done to this boy Yusuf Mart. We've been critical to him. But now obviously
in terms of affecting the game is not always good.
Yes,
in terms of affecting
but learning it life, it's sort of a life change.
to win the game.
Yeah,
itself.
because sometimes even the national team coach for him scoring net bank, but the Chiefs darling are winning. So we say well done to them because Nkulego true, it's hurting. We like I'm a player, and I'm a player. I know if you're not gonna win anything, they're not to say they were good in this game, but they show a character. We understand. We need to give credit. Give Ospaka good. Okay, they show a character. They wanted more than Orlando Pirates players. They never had that attitude. Manga check the Pirates are gonna work tired. For me, last 20 minutes, Pirates were tired, please. And I'm surprised they played Champions League second, but semi-final. As ngisho mina to many fans, Jose Rivero, for me, he's getting away with so many wins at all. So many games, let me put it that way. When we win our fit without midfielders, and then we expect Tumbogas and Sibisi, even in today's game, and then Bakshaydi Zandla, someone will get caught. I think in today, you can't say Mfukeng, I know he's going to win game for me. And this boy, Nkota, those are talented and star players. Take nothing, irrespective of the game, and I'm trying, you can't blame these kids. They always show up in big games as well. But who was supplying? Do they, by totally support to midfielders now? We understand. Because every time you got, Pirates have the ball, defenders, this boy must be ready. Nkota, and also Mfukeng. And then, obvious Chiefs, what they did, they took care of this boy, Tito Masongai. And I don't like that, Mina, for me. We can say Yusuf Mart must stay, Mshambenai, Lumfani Masongai. I want to, he must find these three at
playmaker.
But now, Kaizer Chiefs now up front. Mina, I think they were not a threat. Because he was awfully labor. He was off Tuba as well. And this boy Modi. We need to be realistic and straightforward. They won the game, but they were off. That's why front both teams, the front four off. So well done, Yusuf Mart, for scoring this. I think this goal. It's very important for your career and also for the team. Well done to Kaizer Chiefs. I think Coach Besaka Tatamata is eliminated this style. I know with the yellow card putting this thing. I'm going to defend. No longer being a penalty and stuff. I know pound to pound I can't go with Pirates. Based on the team sheet, Pirates, yes, they look good, but they never show in the field. Whatever Pirates respond last week, they never responded today. But you didn't mention something very important. It doesn't mean this win. Kaizer Chiefs, they are settled, they're okay. There's a lot of dimension, there's a lot of things that need to be changed here. Because Pirates never, I don't think they were players that they were. I'm talking about the goalkeeper. To change the goalkeeper on the final, many question. I'm saying fan government. You understand? But to change, in 7-0 coach, you didn't think when it works for you, you stick with this. For instance, if Kaizer Chiefs technical team and say we won the net bank, we good enough, we're not going to sign anyone. There's a lot of things that made us going forward. Because
they continue with Nabi?
Because we need trophy.
I think that's whether we like it or not, that's going to be the biggest decision they have to make.
Okay,
the smartest decision they have to make is whether this thing will lie to them and say we have the right coach, or maybe the coach will change. I don't know, but this is the biggest decision they have to make.
Just like football becomes a business. When you win one trophy, even if you play ugly, we don't care. I think that was the main when they brought this now. Because even if you play how, but you must get a coach. Because it's a North Africa coach. The way he plays the whole season, watching him. Banye, we don't know Sambi no more. You understand? When you look at him, there's a lot of things that she's for me, obviously, they will keep on the technical team. They won the trophy. After how long? 10 years. I think 20
It was exactly 10 years, actually.
Yes. But I think you figure a break at thing. even if how. If you look at them, how they won against Stellenbosch, obviously, Revering and stuff, but credit for them, it's something that we can, it's a history. History, they already won the trophy. Mina Mangcheka, for me, if Mina Bengu Praki, Mina was going to bring the coach, and Mina, for me, that will take back, restructure the team, Kulman structure song. You understand? For me, if I'm going to use if it was me, Junior Chabokani, I'm going to find a coach that will sign players according to identity, culture team. I will bring the coach that will want to play, also create something that will last longer. But it's very difficult
just give me a second to explain this. Since we've been shooting these videos, it's been 6 years. And Chiefs maybe have changed 10 coaches. Abu Kevin Hunt, Stuart Baxter, Molefe Ntseki, Arthur Zwane, Kevin Johnson, Nasruddin Nabi, and whoever else I'm forgetting. Do you realize, Uguti, every time they hire a coach, it's never with the intention Uguti assign it based on our philosophy, assigning endlela Uguti soba nendlela yokudlala. They are showing themselves as the management Uguti. It's not their priority. It's not their priority Uguti ndlela yokudlala, the future of the club. They are just always chasing ngoba aluzile, and they are chasing ukuthi nje sivale imilomo yabalandeli.
Yeah, Bona, we need to give credit to this guy, Nabi. He was very under pressure. Let's give credit to the guy. He was very under pressure for him to stick there. I mean, as we heard, we are happy and what he has done. But based on what we saw, we never saw Guti. When I look at him, Kaizer Chiefs. You understand? I hear what you're saying. Kaizer Chiefs, they don't normally do that.
They don't hire based on any philosophy.
Yes. So, the technical team will say Nabi is okay. That's the truth. Pendula Chiefs and also the fans. Obvious, you can't fight Kaizer Chiefs fans.
Yeah, I'm sure 100% in their minds. Yeah, they think is the
But
right
when you check on dynamics, to have a philosophy, the identity, how you play, how you sign players, the structure. The structure. I understand. It's very important because that thing will last longer. It's very difficult to break a structure. Even if sometimes they play ugly now. For example, if sometimes lose now, you will have a hope next year will win the league or the trophy. Or win 7 games in a row. Because it's good the structures are and generation and generation players that comes, replacement, it's more or less type of changing your personality. But the type of players same. So the identity of the team is very important, the culture of the team. I know it was one. Let's give credit. But game, go baby game. Mina bengizomle to umuntu ozothi cash up. Coach Weldan did very well. Thank you. And then I bring somebody ukuthi kunjani. Njengamanje, njoba kusho kunama game nyana few I said you start now and identifying that person. Also restructure Weldan development I saw they won. It's credit to that. You promote 1 or 2, 3 players for and then you bring them go senior side, but you bring a coach go senior side. Me and njoba ngisho Orlando is always in my mind. One of the best for me. Orlando Pizza for me.
It wouldn't work at Chiefs.
You give all the beggar. Pressure is second in winning the trophy. Obviously, my fans they will have.
These fans want to win, however, they don't want to build anything.
That will never do favors.
But they won't allow him to build.
The person that will bring
players. Me and you, we want Rulani at the best place, but not Chiefs won't allow him to build.
Yeah, I understand. As an issue, if I get to Buzamina, that's my opinion. I get to game, it's a game of opinion. Technical team and fans, it's gonna be difficult to say now.
They don't want to build. Those fans don't want anything to build.
Yeah, Namanje, I'm mad, man. I'm gonna be against their. No, the truth is, I watched the guy the whole season. Yeah, I understand. And then I saw good okay sharp. The coach, I had to look at the dynamics and himself. Can he read the game? How's the philosophy? Can he check out the best out of players? How he approach the game? How he respond to opposition? I'm too as an issue, I'm need credit today. Maybe need credit to give ways. You need to give ways. But going forward, Mangbuza, I'll bring pizza or even Urlano pizza or working both. They did work together. And then say, nah, from now, and then based on manje before the season starts, just say which players that you need. Bese ngibanike budget. Angithi budget is already there. Ikhona nayo.
Yeah.
They won about 7 million and Chiefs got money.
They have a lot of money, hundreds of millions.
And then I'm sure if Ngbanigama Powers fans, they will understand. They won the Nedbank. At least they won the trophy. After a while, and then be patient to fans. Just even saying, just bring back the identity, the culture of the team, the identity. Bring players that can go and compete as national team. Let us next year, ngisho kule season le ezoqala, that other season to compete with Champions League nathi. You understand? We're talking about now Pirates lost to semi-final. And then Nine Sundowns, they are going to play a final. If Chiefs can come on party as well. But it's not going to come with this, according to me. Yes, well done. We need to give credit. This guy, Samniga, won. But anything is very important in Saras. When you win ugly. Not to say the Pirates were better than them.
Yeah, no.
No. Pirates didn't
tonight,
play.
Chiefs deserve.
Yes, Chiefs deserve to win today. We can't lie. And we can't say Barop no. Pirates never show up. And players at Orlando they are themselves to blame. But also the coach, he's been getting away, which was very, very. When he was winning, which was very, very. And when we say how he won, midfield, and then people say, Pirates is a top team and stuff. Yes, they've got certain players that they can win the game, individual, talented players. But yeah, there will be a stop sign. There will be Chichangshin somehow, which is the Champions League second leg. Even now, today, we never thought that. I would say, I never thought Chiefs can beat them on the final. Because he was out with Champions League, he was out. I thought he will win this, for me, based on the players. But now, with playing Nyazo Evidence Court, and they believe Evidence can do whatever for him. Mabaso came, talking about the match fitness, if they kill the mindset, we play. Mabas was doing well for Orlando Pirates. Coach sacrifice I think I credit Chiefs. We can say as much as we can, but Kaizer Chiefs at the end of the day, they won the Nedbank Cup. And for me, well done. I'm very proud of these players. Right. And from now, as Umilindo mentioning into just last year, into Shabalala Saipinda, from here, because ups and downs, from here. Can you do Manaitate from because he came in change, and this is a big game. Game in one. It Derby so can tell you can't play with Derby. You don't need minutes up if you are a very good player, and if you show up in Kulba, and the talent only is not enough. You need, I think, 15 or 20 minutes in this game. It changed the complexion of the game. Him and the Prince, and it will remain in the history. Well done to him too. I saw and also Yusuf Mar from here. I understand that. So from that, the performance must. These type of goals we need more from him.
All right,
and
there
well
you
done
go.
to
Thank you very much to Junior. There we go. That must have been somewhere in the region of 18 to 25 minutes. I don't know. I've lost track of time. But yeah, it's a discussion worth having. Forget about the euphoria of the country and the celebrations. Well done to Chiefs, actually. Between these two teams, they deserve tonight to win. Pirates, of course, better team throughout the season, better players, but they never pitched up and showed up. The most important decision for Chiefs to make is whether or not they stick with that coach. And if they make that decision based on just winning tonight in a game that was very scrappy, not good enough as a game of this caliber and quality, it might be one of their biggest mistakes. We'll see. It is Diski Times, was sports betting. For breaking news, go to itdiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafowethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe iDiski TV.